Good?
Yep.
Hi guys. So, certain someone wants me to do a challenge. I'm guessing this is the jalapeno though. So, it's itty bitty, as y'all can tell. It's probably maybe an inch or so. Um, I've done peppers out of our garden previous years, so not exactly sure why this makes any difference. But I guess because it's smaller. Who knows? But what do I get if I do it?
I'll take that.
Y'all heard that. I hope. But the whole thing.
Yep. Got to chew it up and swallow.
Oh my god, it's gonna be spicy. All right.
I don't know if it's spicy or not.
We're gonna see how spicy it is for a small one compared to like the bigger ones, a normal size, whatever you want to call it. Anyways.
Chew it up.
I would say it does have a kick to it, especially since it's all on one side. And I think it would be spicier even if it was bigger. But that's that.
It ain't
So
spicy.
it's got a kick to it.
That's them little peppers.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
That's not bad. I mean, it's not as spicy as I thought it would be, but if it gets bigger and probably a different color, it might be. I don't know what color they're supposed to be if it's those
Red.
peppers. But it's got a kick even with it being that big. I mean,
Alright, yeah. We're jumping
But-
off.
I'm going to post this on Facebook and on YouTube, so go and watch both.